Hi, today in front of me Oppo A77 and I'll show you how to adjust the ringtone volume on our Oppo device. So first let's open the settings, then scroll to the sounds and vibration. You'll see here ringtone volume panel, and just to change the ringtone volume we should slide to the left or to the right side this dark dot on ring volume panel. Also we could make it with the help of the volume buttons. Just press up or down volume button, and by this way we could successfully change the ringtone volume. But to use volume buttons to change ringtone, not the medias, we should scroll down to advanced settings, and in the volume button function section you should switch media to the ringtone. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.